This adorable little pocket beagle. This is Stormy. And Stormy's heading home today. Stormy's from Misty. She's the last Misty puppy that's here. And Tiger really likes Stormy. And Stormy likes tiger cats. Tiger likes long ears. Cute little speckly puppies. Hey, you like that baby boy? He's nice too. Should get some cute pictures of you. You're just absolutely adorable, Stormy. Okay, we have Stormy on the couch. What do you think of that? Oh, look how cute you are, Stormy. Yes, wiggly-tailed girl. You can't come over here. What are you doing? You can't come over here. Hi, Stormy. You like butterflies? Mm-hmm. Oh, don't you jump off the couch. You're too little. You're too little. You can't even do that, okay? Oh, give me your ribbies. Yeah? Okay, let's get you down. There you go. There you go. Boop. Oh, you're attacked by a wild cat. Oh, he's in hunting mode. Get Stormy all excited. Stormy's like, okay, I need the rescue route, please. Okay, you come up here, baby. Tiger's in hunt mode. All right, here you go. You're safe. You're safe. No tigers are gonna get you. He's just playing. You want back up here? Oh, you're just too little to get up here on your own, aren't you? Okay. Let's put you on the couch. Then I can see you, because you're cute. If you sat still, I could get a picture. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, stay there. You're silly. You're so silly. Okay, just a minute. Stormy on my lap.